I'm so hungry, Elisa.
What do you want to eat, Intan?
I think I want to have some food that is cheesy and creamy.
I have an idea.
What is it?
We can cook buttermilk chicken.
Yeah! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. So in today's video we are gonna cook one dishes that is easy for us as a student to cook in the hostel. What is it, Elisa?
It is buttermilk chicken.
So without further ado, let's get started.
Where is the chicken?
Here.
Cut the chicken into the small pieces like a popcorn so we can eat easily. Now we have to prepare all these ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of fried chicken coating flour to an empty bowl. Mix the flour until well blended with water in ratio 1:1. This method is for wet butter for our popcorn chicken. Other than that, for dry butter, pour some fried chicken flour into the other bowl and set aside. After that, heat the oil for frying our chicken. Next, coat the chicken with wet butter and continue with dry butter to make the chicken crunchy. Now the chicken is done coating. Let's fry them. Make sure the oil was fully heated. And now we can proceed to fry the chicken. Close the lid to make sure the chicken is fully cooked for about 8 to 10 minutes. And now our chicken popcorn is fully ready. Next, we need to melt the butter. Secondly, fry chopped garlic and curry leaf until the fragrance release. Make sure to tear all the curry leaf to release the fragrance before frying. Fry them until it's fully cooked. Thirdly, pour 1 can of evaporated milk to the butter mixture and mix them well. This is optional. You can put slices of cheese to make it more creamy and cheesy. If you don't have sliced cheese, you can put cheese powder. Mix them well until the mixture is thick. Next, add Maggi sedap rasa, salt, and sugar to make our butter sauce taste delicious. Finally, our popcorn chicken butter is done. You can eat it separately with the butter sauce, or you can pour the butter sauce into the chicken like we did in this video. Have you watched our full video? If you do, please follow our recipe because it's easy to make at home and in the hostel.
That's all from us. Bye!